We are on the practice test for the whole numbers, and we're working on problem number 3, and we're asked to determine all the factors of 45. And factors are any two numbers that can be multiplied together to give 45. So there's a method to this. We start always with 1 and the number. So 1 times 45 is going to give me 45. And 1 times any number is always the same number. So 1 and the number are always factors. And then we go from 1, we go to 2, and we ask, is 2 a factor of 45? In other words, is there another number times 2 times another number that will give me 45? And the answer is no. So I go to 3 and I ask, is there another number that I can multiply 3 by to get 45? And the answer is yes, 15. 3 times 15 gives me 45. So 3 and 15 are factors of 45. Now, if you didn't know that, you could take 45, divide it by 3, and you would get 15, which would show you that 3 times the 15 is 45. And then you go to 4, and you ask, is 4 a factor? Is there another number times 4 that will give me 45? And the answer is no. So you go to 5, and 5 times 9 gives 45. So 5 and 9 are both factors of 45. And then you continue with this procedure until you start to repeat some of the numbers that are listed here. So if we go to 6, 6 is not a factor of 45. There's no whole number times 6 that will give me 45. 7 is not a factor of 45. 8 is not a factor of 45. 9 is a factor of 45. 9 times 5 gives me 45, but I already have the 9 right here. So once I start repeating, I know I'm done, and I've got all my factors. And then we list out those factors in order down this column, 1, 3, 5, and then back up this side, 9, 15, and 45. And we have all the factors of 45 listed, which is letter A for the answer.